Hello, my friends. Alena is again here, and I would like to show you album which have name Sweetie, and I make that album from paper collection from Stamperia have name Sweetie. So come to let's go to see it. First, what I want to tell for all who ask me if I did made tutorial from that cover, I am very sorry. When I start to do that album, I really wasn't thinking to do any tutorial, but times come and I tell myself, okay, I will try to make some tutorials. So now you have all 12 pages on my YouTube channel. It's Intense Memories Alena Hudacova. So I am thinking when I come back to Slovakia, I will order again two collection from this Sweetie, and I will do same cover, but inside the album will be completely different. Completely, maybe different. Okay, because I don't like copy even my own albums. So that is spine and that is the back. What I have to tell about back, I don't have enough paper for make all page, so it's glue together this strip and I add this to be complete like that. So let's see how the album see it. Actually, idea from cover I take from internet. If I found the girl which do similar cover, I write her name because she did bugs and used very similar cover for bugs. So it's not copy because I did by myself different changes, but anyway, looks very similar. First page inside the album look like this, and because every book I do, I call them album because every my album have to have inside place for photos. So every page in this album have place for photos. Here is accordion, and when I turn off that beautiful lady, I love it. For first I want to color it that hair for blonde because album is made for my daughter who bake birthday cakes for order, and that I love. Life is sweet. For me, yes. Next we have again very nice page, and first time I get idea make pocket like that. So two circles, I glue them aside and on the bottom and put them together with that chocolate, and inside the pocket is that book which I told you I will do quickly tutorial how to make from paper A3 book like that. Okay, next is pocket aside, and inside the pocket is again pocket like that, and this beautiful card and accordion where she can put about 8 and more photos because still is place in that teeny pocket. Okay, and it can go to small photos also here, but how I talking many times, I really do pages, like 2 pages to cooperate with colors. I am not sure if every page in my album is different because it's like you don't know where to put eyes first. So anyway, paper from Stamperia is very busy and I try to pop what's I love it, like this card. And here we have place for photos. It's like teeny booklets, and here is some cards from beautiful paper, and also here, but I don't want to have that images on the top because I think it's just too much. But it's my mind. I know everybody have different taste, different feeling, so, and because I doing that albums with huge love, I always talking I am in 7 heaven, and I doing all the time album with love. I choose paper which I really like it, or is some special for occasion, some I choose. So I think it makes sense if I do how I feel. So next page, I do many fussy cut, like also like this strip, and make pocket aside, and inside is again some booklet and this beautiful card, and that pocket has that booklet for 6 photos. It's beautiful bowl with chocolate and strawberry. Today we was on land where they grow strawberry, and also 2 days ago, and we did some jellies for children, and it was so fun, so nice. That is pocket, and that, and it's jellies is okay, already done. What I want to tell about this paper, it's like 30 by 30, so I make shortly here because album have 24 and a half, actually cover 25, but I love this cake, so I put them to the middle. These both pages I cut chocolate for make pocket, and pocket is also here, so that how look this page, these 2 pages. Next is again very simple, and it look like shelves into the shop, patisserie shop, and I just cut lines on the shelves and make 3 pockets. We can put photos there, and I just fold these 2 cards and put them on the top pocket. And I love this side, made with love. Every album I doing, I really do it with big love. Actually, almost everything I doing in my life, I doing with love. I think I have enough years, 71, so it's time to be happy and make everything what I do with love. So that is very nice folding paper where you can put 9 photos. And last page has 3D pocket, and inside the pocket is some book. I use that card from paper which say my cake recipe, and I decorate it like this. I use some signs, some fussy cutting. I have over, and chocolate makes everything better. Yes, that's true. Enjoy the sweet moments. Yes, all the time, any minute. Okay, life is sweet. That's true. So, and here, beautiful strawberry chocolate cake. So, and it's 3D pocket, so we can put more photos there. That is my album made with love, and it's album which I first time try to do for you guys, 12 pages with tutorials. And little secret I want to tell, I don't know if it's, I don't have glossy accent right now in Switzerland. So what I use, I just put glue on this and this. I don't know if it's, see, but it's a little bit shiny. Not too much, but a little bit is shiny. I don't think so. Ah, yeah, now it's when I put up and down. So that is my album. I am happy. It's finished, and it's gift for my daughter. And see you on next video, guys. And if you not subscribe my channel, please support me, and I am very appreciated you stop by my channel, and see you on next time. Thank you very much.